What if I told you that you could start earning money today, just by teaching something you already know? No classroom, no degree required for most of these. No previous experience in some cases. Right now, there are companies actively paying people, real, ordinary people, to teach everything from English conversation to algebra to corporate business skills. Some of them will pay you within your first week. Some let you set your own hourly rate, from $10 all the way up to $100 or more. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 legitimate platforms that pay you to teach, what they pay, who they're looking for, and which one is the best fit for you. Stick around till the end, because number one is the platform most people don't even know exists, and it might be the easiest one to get started on. Let's get into it. First up, Outschool. Outschool connects teachers with kids from preschool through high school. If you're good at explaining things, coding, art, creative writing, even niche hobbies like chess or Minecraft-based learning, Outschool lets you design your own classes and set your own price per class. You're not filling out a boring application for a fixed hourly wage here. You're basically building your own small teaching business, with Outschool bringing the students to you. Many teachers on the platform earn well above minimum wage once they build a following, especially with recurring group classes. Best for teachers who like designing their own curriculum and working with kids. Next, Preply. Preply is one of the biggest tutoring marketplaces in the world, covering languages, school subjects, and even test prep. Here's the key thing to know. Preply uses a sliding commission scale. When you're brand new, the platform takes around a third of what you earn. But the more hours you teach, the smaller that cut gets, dropping down toward the high teens as you build experience. So the strategy on Preply is simple. Stick with it, build your hours, and your effective pay per lesson goes up over time, even if your rate stays the same. Best for tutors who want long-term, recurring students and are willing to build a track record. Number 3, Cambly. Cambly is built for speed and simplicity, mainly English conversation practice. There's no lesson planning. You open the app, go available, and get connected instantly with a student who wants to practice speaking. The pay is a flat rate. Cambly currently pays around $10 an hour for standard adult sessions, a bit more for Cambly Kids sessions. It won't make you rich, and there's no negotiating your rate. But if you want a zero-commitment way to start earning immediately and build teaching hours fast, Cambly is one of the easiest doors in. Best for total beginners who want instant, no-scheduling income. Number 4, Italki. Italki is the go-to marketplace for language teaching, and it splits teachers into 2 tiers. Community tutors, native or fluent speakers without formal certification, typically charge lower rates for casual conversation practice. Professional teachers, who bring certification and structured lesson plans, can charge significantly more. Italki takes a flat commission on every lesson, and, unlike Cambly, you set your own price from day one. If you speak a second language fluently, even without a teaching background, this is one of the most accessible platforms to start earning on. Best for language speakers who want full control over their pricing. Number 5, Wyzant. Wyzant is one of the most established academic tutoring marketplaces in the US. Think math, science, test prep, and general homework help. You set your own hourly rate, and most tutors price themselves somewhere between $20 and $65 an hour, though experienced specialists can charge far more. Wyzant takes a percentage from each session as a service fee and pays out on a regular schedule with a faster payout option for qualifying tutors. If you have real subject matter expertise, especially in a school subject, this platform rewards that. Best for subject matter experts who want higher hourly rates. Number 6, Superprof. Superprof works differently from every platform so far. Instead of taking a commission from your earnings, Superprof charges the student a subscription fee just to unlock contact with tutors. Once connected, you and the student agree on the rate and payment directly. Superprof doesn't take a cut. This means more of what you charge goes straight into your pocket. The trade-off is that Superprof is more of an advertising and matchmaking service. You're more in control, but also more responsible for how you present yourself. Best for tutors who want to keep 100% of their session fees. Number 7. Varsity Tutors. Varsity Tutors leans academic and structured, test prep, K-12 subjects, and college-level tutoring, often sold to students as subscription packages rather than one-off lessons. That structure means more consistency for you as a tutor, predictable sessions, an established platform doing the marketing, and a brand that many parents already trust. It's a great option if you want tutoring to feel more like steady part-time work rather than freelance hustling for each new client. Best for tutors who want structure and consistent scheduling. Number 8. TutorOcean. TutorOcean is a global tutoring marketplace covering both academic subjects and languages, and it's known for having one of the lowest platform commission rates in the entire industry, sitting around 10%. That means significantly more of your earnings stay with you compared to some of the bigger names. It's not as widely known as Preply or Wyzant, which can mean fewer students find you organically, but for tutors willing to promote themselves a little, the lower cut makes a real difference to your bottom line. Best for tutors who want to maximize take-home pay per lesson. Number 9. AmazingTalker. AmazingTalker is a language teaching marketplace covering dozens of languages beyond just English. You set your own rate. Many teachers charge somewhere between $15 and $28 an hour. And no formal teaching credential is required to get started, though non-native speakers may need to show a degree or fluency proof. The commission here is graduated. It starts higher for new tutors earning less and drops the more you earn each month. So, like Preply, the more consistent and successful you become, the better your effective payout gets. Best for multilingual teachers who want global reach. And finally, number 10, Learnlight. Learnlight is different from everything else on this list. It's a corporate language training company teaching business English and other languages to employees at multinational companies across Europe and beyond. This is more formal. You'll typically need real teaching experience and a proper setup, reliable high-speed internet, a headset, a webcam. The pay tends to be modest per session compared to some marketplaces, but the work is professional, consistent, and corporate-facing. A solid option if you want to build experience teaching adult professionals rather than casual learners. Best for experienced teachers wanting corporate, business English work. So there you have it, 10 real platforms, 10 different ways to get paid for teaching what you already know. If I had to boil it down, want fast, no commitment income? Start with Cambly. Want to build a long-term tutoring income? Preply, Wyzant, or italki. Want to keep the biggest cut of your earnings? Superprof or TutorOcean. Drop a comment telling me which platform you're going to try first. And if this helped you, hit subscribe, because next week I'm ranking the highest paying online tutoring niches for 2026. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.